Welcome back to Car Clarity, where innovation meets performance and luxury defines the future of travel. Today, we're exploring something extraordinary: the 2026 luxury motorhomes, a new generation of rolling mansions that completely transform how we think about life on the road. These aren't just vehicles built for long journeys, they are statements of design, technology, and pure comfort, the ultimate fusion of mobility and sophistication. The 2026 luxury motorhomes have taken the entire industry by storm. They represent a new breed of high-performance living spaces that merge automotive engineering with the kind of luxury once found only in private jets and high-end penthouses. Every curve, every material, and every system inside these machines has been created to deliver the smoothest, smartest, and most elegant travel experience possible. Let's start with what you see first: the exterior. The new generation of luxury motorhomes looks unlike anything that has come before. The designs are bold and futuristic, sculpted for both performance and aesthetics. Aerodynamic shapes dominate every contour, giving these massive vehicles a sleek, dynamic profile that slices through the wind effortlessly. From the front fascia to the tail lights, every detail has been crafted with precision. The lighting systems now feature full LED matrix technology with adaptive beams that respond to road conditions and even project patterns for enhanced safety. Some brands have taken inspiration from their iconic sports cars. Ferrari's design division introduced sharp aerodynamic lines with aggressive vents and carbon fiber panels, turning their motorhome into a moving piece of automotive art. Rolls-Royce brings its classic elegance to the roads with polished chrome finishes, signature dual-tone paint, and a seamless body design that exudes sophistication. Bentley and Mercedes-Benz, meanwhile, have gone for minimalism mixed with modern elegance, using fluid curves and hidden door handles that maintain a clean, futuristic silhouette. But it's not just about beauty, the performance underneath these stunning exteriors is just as impressive. The 2026 motorhomes are powered by the latest in hybrid and all-electric technology. These are no longer slow, heavy machines, they're incredibly powerful and efficient. High-performance electric motors deliver instant torque, allowing these giants to accelerate smoothly and silently. Some top-end models boast up to 1,200 horsepower combined, rivaling supercars in raw power while maintaining total refinement. The driving dynamics have also been revolutionized. Adaptive air suspension systems automatically adjust ride height and damping depending on terrain and load, offering an incredibly smooth and stable ride whether cruising on highways or navigating uneven country roads. The all-wheel drive systems in these models use torque vectoring to ensure perfect traction and balance, giving the driver unmatched confidence. Advanced steering systems now make maneuvering effortless, even for vehicles of this size. Battery technology has improved drastically for 2026, with most luxury motorhomes offering ranges of up to 800 miles on a single charge for hybrid models and up to 500 miles for full electrics. Regenerative braking systems recover energy efficiently, and solar panel roofs supplement the power supply when parked. Fast charging capability allows up to 80% charge in less than 30 minutes, making long-distance travel convenient and sustainable. Performance isn't just about power and speed, it's also about control and comfort. The noise levels inside these new motorhomes are incredibly low thanks to advanced insulation, acoustic glass, and noise-canceling systems. Whether you're gliding down the interstate or parked near the coast, you hear nothing but serenity. Driving one feels less like controlling a massive vehicle and more like piloting a private aircraft, smooth, effortless, and silent. Now, let's talk about the interior, the true heart of the luxury motorhome experience. The interiors of the 2026 models redefine what it means to travel in comfort. They are a fusion of craftsmanship and smart technology, designed to feel both spacious and intimate. As you step inside, you're surrounded by hand-stitched leather, sustainable wood veneers, and polished metal finishes that reflect light beautifully. Every surface feels premium, every detail intentional. The living area flows naturally, with ergonomic seating that converts into full lounge recliners. The upholstery is breathable, temperature regulated, and even offers built-in massage functionality. The lighting is fully adaptive, with customizable color temperatures that change from cool daylight to warm evening tones. Massive panoramic windows allow for breathtaking views, making every stop along the journey feel like a luxury resort. Technology integration is seamless. The entire motorhome can be controlled via voice commands or a central touchscreen interface. Everything, from the temperature to the lighting to the entertainment system, responds instantly to your preferences. The entertainment setup includes ultra-high-definition 8K screens, surround sound, and satellite streaming that keeps you connected anywhere in the world. The kitchen area is compact yet fully equipped, featuring induction stoves, smart refrigerators, and automated storage systems that maximize space. With touchless appliances and high-end finishes, it feels more like a designer kitchen than one in a moving vehicle. The bedroom offers a truly restful retreat, with memory foam mattresses, ambient lighting, and climate zones that maintain perfect comfort all night long. Even the bathrooms have been elevated to a new level of luxury. Think rainfall showers, heated floors, automatic mirrors that defog instantly, and water filtration systems that deliver pure, fresh water anywhere you go. It's a 5-star hotel experience that moves wherever you want it to. Storage is intelligently designed too. Every compartment is optimized to hold essentials neatly, with smart sensors alerting you when items are left behind or misplaced. Foldable tables, retractable steps, and adjustable partitions make the entire space modular, flexible enough for living, entertaining, or relaxing. Another defining aspect of the 2026 motorhomes is sustainability. Automakers have finally embraced eco-luxury, incorporating recycled and renewable materials throughout the interior while ensuring zero compromise on comfort. Solar roofs, energy recovery systems, and efficient battery management mean these homes on wheels are greener than ever before. They allow long-term off-grid living while maintaining full comfort, something unimaginable just a few years ago. Beyond all this technology and beauty, the feeling these vehicles create is what makes them special. It's the sense of complete freedom, being able to drive anywhere, stay anywhere, and live life without boundaries. Imagine waking up beside a quiet lake in the Pacific Northwest, enjoying coffee with a view of the Grand Canyon, or cruising along California's coastline, all from within your private luxury suite. That's what the 2026 motorhomes deliver, the ability to take your world with you wherever you go. These machines are not just for travel, they represent a new kind of lifestyle. A life that values comfort as much as exploration, performance as much as peace. They embody the idea that mobility and luxury can coexist perfectly. Whether you're a couple seeking adventure, a family exploring cross-country, or an enthusiast who simply loves the open road, the new generation of motorhomes offers an experience like no other. In essence, the 2026 luxury motorhomes are more than vehicles, they are a glimpse into the future of travel. They combine cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and sustainable engineering in one extraordinary package. They are proof that the journey itself can be just as rewarding as the destination. Thank you for joining us here at Car Clarity, your trusted channel for exploring the future of automotive innovation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of 2026 luxury motorhomes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. The road to tomorrow is luxurious, and we'll be here to bring you every detail of it, one masterpiece at a time.